Welcome back to Coin Explorer, the place where we explore rare coins, hidden history, and valuable currency from around the world. In today's video, we are looking at a very interesting and historical coin from South Africa, specifically the year 1961. This coin is known as the 1961 South African 1/2 cent coin, and it marks one of the most important transitions in the country's history. In 1961, South Africa officially became a republic and introduced the South African rand, replacing the older pound system. This means this coin is part of the very first generation of decimal coins used in the country. The design on the coin includes the inscriptions Suid-Afrika and South Africa, which clearly show the bilingual nature of the country, using both Afrikaans and English languages. This reflects the cultural diversity and political structure of South Africa during that time. At the center of the coin, you can see two birds facing each other, sitting on a plant-like design. This symbol is part of the earlier national emblem and represents harmony, growth, and unity within the country. The coin was produced by the South African Mint, which is responsible for producing all official coins in South Africa. Coins like this were used in everyday life for small transactions, especially when even small denominations had real purchasing power. Make sure to watch the full video, and at the end, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Coin Explorer Money Mouth Face. This coin has a denomination of 1/2 cent, which means it was one of the smallest units of currency in the South African rand system. The metal used for this coin is bronze, which gives it a golden brown appearance and makes it durable for circulation. Bronze was commonly used for small denomination coins because it was affordable and long-lasting. The coin has a round shape with a protective rim that helps preserve the design over time. However, because these coins were used heavily in daily transactions, many of them today show signs of wear such as scratches and fading details. Finding a coin from 1961 in excellent condition is not very easy, which makes well-preserved examples more attractive to collectors. The engravings on the coin were carefully designed to remain visible even after years of use. The birds and plant design in the center are finely detailed, showing the high level of craftsmanship used by the mint. Coins like this are not just money. They are small pieces of art that reflect the identity of a nation. Even though the coin may seem simple, every detail on it has meaning and historical importance. From a collector's perspective, this coin holds more historical value than high monetary value in most cases. Because it was produced in relatively large numbers, it is not considered extremely rare. However, coins in uncirculated condition or with unique features can still attract collectors. Numismatists often evaluate coins based on condition, rarity, demand, and historical significance. A coin that looks almost new with sharp details is always more valuable than one that is heavily worn. Some collectors also search for minting errors or variations, which can increase the value of a coin. Even though this 1961 1/2 cent coin may not be worth a large amount of money, it is still a valuable collectible because it represents a major historical event. Coins from important years like 1961 are always interesting because they connect us directly to the past. Holding such a coin is like holding a piece of history in your hand. That is why many collectors enjoy collecting coins not just for their value, but for their stories. Another important aspect of this coin is its connection to the evolution of South African currency. Before 1961, the country used the pound system, which was influenced by British currency. When South Africa became a republic, it introduced the rand, which simplified the system and made it easier to use. The introduction of new coins, including the 1/2 cent, was part of this major change. Over time, small denominations like the 1/2 cent became less useful due to inflation, and they were eventually removed from circulation. Today, these coins are no longer used in daily life, but they remain important historical artifacts. They show how currency evolves over time and how economic changes affect everyday life. Coins like this also remind us of a time when even the smallest coin had real value. For collectors, this makes them even more interesting because they represent a different era of economic history. If you enjoy learning about coins like this and discovering their hidden stories, then you are in the right place. On Coin Explorer, we bring you detailed information about rare coins, old currency, and valuable collectibles from around the world. Every coin has a story, and sometimes even the smallest coin can have the biggest historical importance. If you found this video helpful and interesting, make sure to like thumbs up, share repeat button, and subscribe.